morning.
नहीं, but ये नोटिस तो पहले दी गई थी, तो पहले क्यों नहीं पूछा उन्होंने?
ये उस वक्त मैं उसका
It was on a day-to-day fixation, my lord. 13 से पहले एक दिन पहले भी फिक्स हुआ, 12 को हुआ, फिर 13 को हुआ, अगले दिन very next day it was.
अच्छा, अगर ये कल बलूचिस्तान आती है, वो पंजाब के रोक देते हैं, सिंध वाले खैबर पख्तूनख्वा के रोक देते हैं
जी.
It's very strange.
जसवाती ये बताएं कि ये जो पीरियड है 7 days का ट्रेनिंग है,
7 days.
and then the program, election program kicks in on the 15th. आप जो होना था नॉर्मल टाइम्स में, जो
नॉर्मल टाइम में आज
प्रोग्राम आना था,
and we were going to continue it in parallel to the issuance of the election
and
program.
when is the actual job of the DRO RO in the program that comes into action?
That's the last date for filing of the nomination. लेकिन वो पहले दिन से शुरू हो जाती है, because on the very
nothing
first
much
day
has gone wrong in the sense that they can get back to some sort of training, and
हम 3-4 दिन पीछे चले गए हैं, but we are very tightly
training
fixed
training पे short हो गई.
जी.
लेकिन I remember the last elections when I was Chief Justice of Balochistan. We had conducted the court till 2:45 in the morning. So these matters, on the 11th hour, a petition is filed. Not the 11th hour, beyond. And now you are in that danger zone where fallout will be delay of elections.
Absolutely.
They were waiting and seeing till that point of no return comes, then file the petition. And doesn't the learned judge realize all these things? Has he assumed the responsibilities of the Election Commission of Pakistan? Would it constitute misconduct on the part of the judge?
In fact, it was.
If he's violating an order of the Supreme Court.
In fact, it was also highlighted.
Please assist us.
जी, my lord.
Any जो मर्जी you wear a gown and then pass any order you want to.
You cannot. When they under Article 189, the judge is bound by the.
He's not only passed an order in the territory of Punjab. He's passed an order for the whole of Pakistan.
Notification. All four the set of notifications have been suspended.
आपने इसका कोई जवाब दिया था वहाँ पे? इसका पिटीशन का कोई जवाब दिया?
No, my lord, there was none. 12 को फिक्स हुई है और 13 को दोबारा उन्होंने कहा जी कि आके आर्ग्यू करें.
I think the best course for the judge was to say that the matter they should approach the Supreme Court in the light of the earlier
order.
Especially the notification is outside the territory of the Punjab.
Very, very true. Hello.
Attorney General, does it constitute misconduct?
My lord, I have to go through the code of conduct, but if there was a Supreme Court order,
provision of the Constitution,
clear provision of the Constitution,
does he refer to our order?
No, it does not. And there was a Supreme Court order which
no, he doesn't refer to the order.
It does not.
He doesn't refer to a constitutional provision.
No, my lord.
He passes an order beyond the territory of Punjab.
So appears, my lord. And my friend has just informed me that the learned additional attorney general, Lahore, actually argued this point.
No, we may even issue contempt notice to the petitioner. I mean, he's a lawyer. He pretends to be a lawyer at least. How is he acting against the order? If he has a grievance, come to the Supreme Court. We pass the order. He claims to be representing a political party. On the basis of their petition, we had ordered elections.
That's right, man.
So what is this?
That's right.
So there are two things. One is that perhaps the best course would be that because there was a matter pending here, a direction had been given by the Supreme Court. The best course was for the High Court that take the matter to the Supreme Court.
That's
one.
Right.
Number two, the notification is such that it covers all the provinces.
That's right.
So one High Court dealing with one province cannot deal with that. There is a judgment also which in a CSS matter, the idea was to go to the Supreme Court because you can't upset. I mean, you're actually upsetting the other provinces who don't want to.
I believe there's a division bench judgment of my lord was heading the division
bench. That's right. The CSS exam was challenged, and they said if one province will do it, it will affect the entire exam for all the other provinces. So suppose people sitting in Balochistan and Sindh would like to go ahead, they are also affected. Sara dysfunctional ho gaya.
Notifications have been suspended throughout.
Attorney General, is he the same judge who had passed that order in the electricity petition? 1,600 or 1,100 petitions came before us.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, this is not on. You have to stay within the confines of the Constitution. We take oath to abide by the Constitution, the law. And Article 189 is bound on him, on all courts. I mean, he's really upset our order. He's sort of disregarded our order. I mean, he doesn't even refer to it. He says suspended. His own Chief Justice saying that I can't spare judicial officers because I got 13 lakh cases in the province. So there'll be a writ issued against the Chief Justice. Can't be. Sorry, this is not on.
What's the possibility? Could you just assist us? I mean, there was an earlier order, and the entire election is being, there was a direction that 8th February ko hoga, and Supreme Court has passed orders that no step would be taken to derail.
Yes.
So, what is the possibility that if such a case has been filed, that is to be brought before the Supreme Court? Could that case be taken away from the High Court and brought here?
There are past precedents, my lord.
So that it is heard at one place for the entire country.
Yes.
Why should we give a relief to a person who is a contemner? I use the word contemner because he is derailing democracy.
That's right.
Why should this person hold Pakistan to ransom?
It's actually an individual.
It's an individual, my lord. That's what
I'm inclined to, I don't know, I'll consult my colleagues to issue a contempt notice.
Once you get the petition here.
क्यों उसकी petition को entertain कर रहा हूँ? These things are happening.
Mr. Swati, जरा 51(1) पढ़िए जरा.
This is relating to the 51(1) में फिर ARO और RO of the judicial.
51(1) जो है वो deals with the.
इधर चेक करें, ये लॉयर नहीं है, ये बैरिस्टर उमैर खान नियाजी.
He's an advocate, sir. He's an advocate of High Court, yes.
Yes, you know him?
Yes.
Which is he alone, firm with some firm or what?
My lord, he had previously served as a law officer, as an additional advocate general in Punjab, but he was associated with Tehreek-e-Insaf. He was president of, as it is written in the memo of the petition also, he served as the president of the lawyers wing of that party.
He's not a young man then.
He's about as old as I am, so...
That's young enough.
So a young man.
He's not like in his 20s.
No.
That on his exuberance, he files a petition not realizing what he's doing.
My lord, 51(1) provides for consultation with the Chief Justice for appointment of the judicial officers.
51(1).
51(1). The Commission shall, in the prescribed manner, appoint from amongst its own officers or officers of any government or corporations, autonomous or semi-autonomous bodies controlled by any government, or from the subordinate judiciary in consultation with the Chief Justice of the concerned High Court, a returning officer for each constituency. This is the provision which has been.
अगर 51(1) को कोई कोर्ट अल्ट्रा वायरस डिक्लेयर कर दे तो क्या कभी इलेक्शन हो सकता है?
नहीं. Then we have no other power.
50 को छोड़ देते हैं. 51(1) को अगर मुकम्मल अल्ट्रा वायरस कर दें तो ये इलेक्शन कभी भी नहीं हो सकता. फिर डीरेलिंग करना कहना, आप ये कहें कि इलेक्शन ही नहीं कराना चाहते.
इलेक्शन नहीं करवाना चाहते.
तो ये तो इन्हें पिटीशन ग्रांट कर दी रहा है, क्या किया फिर इसमें?
This is the main relief granted at the interim stage, which is also unconstitutional, unlawful.
अच्छा, आपके पास कोई दरखास्त नहीं दी?
No, my lord. No, my lord. There was nothing of this sort ever agitated anywhere in the whole.
देखिए, हो सकता है कहीं गलत हो गया हो, किसी का भाई वगैरह को अपॉइंट कर दिया एज RO, चलें, हो सकता है.
इंडिविजुअल का अगर किसी एक की करे
वो कहेगा जी आप ये बंदा गुनाह है, दूसरे को लगा दो, हम लगा देंगे.
1,500 बंदा ही बायस्ड है इनके अगेंस्ट, और इनके अगेंस्ट नहीं, जस्ट अगेंस्ट वन इंडिविजुअल. Probably he might be contesting from one constituency. आप उसके हद तक करें अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम है. Come to us, we will look into it.
वो ये भी नहीं बता रहे कि उस ऑफिसर में प्रॉब्लम क्या है.
No.
They're saying कि as a concept executive नहीं होगा.
As a concept, चूंकि हमारे अगेंस्ट MPOs के ऑर्डर्स किए हैं डिप्टी कमिश्नर्स ने, तो इसलिए जो हमारे अगेंस्ट पार्टीजन है. This is the allegation.
ये बताएं कि RO और उनके खिलाफ कोई किसी को कोई बायसनेस हो तो आपके पास उनका आने का कोई है लॉ?
जी, कौन सा लॉ है?
कौन सी सेक्शन है कि उनको आपके पास आना चाहिए कि ना कि डायरेक्टरेट में जाना चाहिए? अगर रेमेडी आपके पास थी तो वहाँ आए नहीं आए? आपके पास
they've never approached us.
वो है कोई प्रोविजन बताइए.
It's 50. Not 55. It's 55 का 3 है. Election Act का 55 का 3 जी. The Commission 55(3). Section 55, subsection 3. The Commission may, at any time, for reasons to be recorded in writing, suspend or withdraw any election official, a public servant, 55, Section 55, subsection 3, my lord.
Yes.
The Commission may, at any time, for reasons.
तो आर्टिकल 199 जरा पढ़िए आइन का, ये तो वही मार खा जाएगा.